Right to Information Act of India. That is one of the most important act made by the Union government under the rule of UPA government. Right to Information Act. It is fundamental right to every citizen of our country. An ordinary citizen can seek information from the governmental departments. They can get any information from the governmental departments except defense matters, any other material, any other documents, any other information can gather information from the governmental departments. It is came into enforce on 12th October 2005. So one of the most important act made by the government of India, that was a replacement of Freedom of Act 2002 and Official Secret Acts former act. So these are the base to made Right to Information Act. So an ordinary citizen utilizing it as a weapon to get information from the governmental departments. So on the basis of this, our President of India appointing Central Information Commissioners and other commissioners and State Information Commissioners. Governor may appoint State Information Commissioners and Regional Information Commissioners appointed by the governor of the states. They are having rights like civil judges of the court. They can punish any governmental authorities whoever committed to corrupt, who made misuse their authority. They must be punished by the government through this act. According to Right to Information Act, in all the governmental departments there is public authorities, PIO, Public Information Officer, and APIO and Regional Information Commissioners. Every government department that should play according to the Right to Information Act, proactive disclosure of the act. They must display whatever benefits, whatever rules and regulations framed by the government of India. They must display according to this act. According to Right to Information Act, this is one of the essential act. Whatever fresh note released by the government, whatever policy made by the government, and whatever information required to the citizens of the state, they can get information easily through this act. So government officials, they must provide information to the citizens. If it is relating to the general matter, general information, officers can provide within 30 days. If they may be provided within 30 days, Xerox copies cost must be burdened by the applicant. After 30 days, it must be provided by the government authority free of cost to the applicants according to this act. If it is life and death issue, government authorities, they must provide information within 48 hours. If it is life and death matter, They must provide information to the respondents, to the applicants, within 48 hours. That is our fundamental right. Great act made by the UPA government. It is essential to every citizen. It was enforced on 12th October 2015. Let us discuss about the Right to Information Act. It was enacted by the Parliament of India, enacted 15 June 2005. Our President of India assented this Act 22 June 2005. Commenced on, enforced on 12th October 2005. The right to information is an act of the Parliament of India which sets the rules and procedures regarding citizens' right to information. It replaced the former Freedom Act, and territorial exemption. Whole India. It is applicable to whole India, also Jammu and Kashmir also since August 2019. So after revoked of Article 370, which was removed by the Government of India under the rule of BJP party, Article revoked of Article 370, Right to Information Act, it is applicable in the Jammu Kashmir also. So definition of the Right to Information Act. According to Section 2F, right to information include the right to get inspection of work, documents, records, taking notes, extracts and certified copies, and copies of documents, certified samples of material and floppies, tapes, video cassettes. These can be received by the applicants. So according to this act. And the Right to Information Act object of India, important features. Right to information is a fundamental right. It is a part of the fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression recognized in various Supreme Court decisions. It is fundamental right. Supreme Court of India declared several judgments on this right to liberty and freedom of speech. It is one of the part. It was added in our Indian Constitution, Article 19(1)(a). It is directly linked to the right to life. The Supreme Court has widened the decision of the right to life to include the right to food, health, education, liberty. These are a part in the right to life. Some of the important objectives of the Right to Information Act: to set out a practical regime of right to information for citizens of India, to secure access to information under the control of the public authorities, to promote transparency and accountability in the working of every public authority, to contain corruption, to increase citizens' awareness and ability to exercise their other rights, to equip them to participate in meaningfully in the development process. Almost all this is helpful to the citizens. So ordinary citizens, they are getting information from the respondents easily, from government officers. It is helpful like weapon to ordinary citizens.